Welcome to Kiddo Magic, your guide to reading and spelling in the English language. Today, we're going to make reading easier for our students. We will do this with syllable division. We have learnt about the types of syllables. It is linked up in the video. Please check that out before we go ahead. There are 6 types of syllables: closed, open, magic-y, R-controlled, vowel teams, and final stable syllable. A closed syllable is when there is a consonant after the vowel and the vowel has the short vowel sound like a, e, o and a. Open syllable is when there is no consonant after the vowel, so the vowel has a long vowel sound a, e, I, o and u. Magic E is when the word ends in E and E does magic. It makes the vowel say its name. Again, they will have the long vowel sound. R-controlled is when the vowel is followed by R, which changes its sound. Vowel teams are when there are 2 vowels together forming a team, and final stable syllable is when it comes at the end with the sound of l. So let's proceed. We will be dividing a big word into syllables with the different divisions that are possible. We will use vowels and consonants. So V is for vowel and C is for consonant. The different patterns are V, C, CV, where it is broken between the 2 consonants, or VCV, where it is broken between the vowel and consonant. Similarly, the other patterns VCV, VV and VCCV. So how do we go about this? When we have a long word and are unsure, we will put a dot above the vowels. Then we join it and then name it. So this is a vowel, consonant, consonant and vowel. So here we have the VCCV pattern and we are going to break the word between the 2 consonants. Now it becomes easy. The word is kidnap. Let's take another example. Another long word. So we'll code it again on the vowels. Draw a line, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and break it between the 2 consonants. The word is plastic. The next word, again the same pattern. Put dots above the vowels, join it, VCV. Now here we have the VCV pattern, so we'll break it after the vowel. Since there is no consonant after U, it's going to have its long vowel sound. We are going to read U as U. So the word is student. Let's try the next one. When there are 2 vowels, we place the dot and code it VCV. Break it after the first vowel. Again, there is no consonant after the first E. Hence, we are going to read E as E. Depend. The next one, we see a consonant LE at the end. So we are going to break the word there. And the first syllable is bub. Next is bull. So the word is bubble. Here again CLE. It's a consonant LE. So we're going to break it there. And the word is cycle. TION is also a final stable syllable having the sound of shin. When we see that, we break it there. Since there is no consonant after the vowel in A in the first syllable, we will read A as A. So it's nation. We have a long word here. So let's break it. TION is separated and then follow the same rule. Code vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel and break it between the 2 consonants. So the word is invention. That's easy, right? TURE has a sound of chur, another final stable syllable. So we break it and we read U as U, so it's future. Again we have T-U-R-E, so we'll break it there, and code. So it's vowel, consonant, vowel, where we break it. We'll read it as D, par, AR is the R controlled. So D, par, ch. In the last part, we have the word ending in ed, which is a suffix. So we will box the suffix and then follow the same pattern. Since there are two vowels, we will code it. V, C, C, V. Break it between the two consonants. And it's easy now. Happened. Again we have ed here. So we box it. Code the vowels and consonants. We have the VCV pattern. So we break it after the first vowel. The word is selected. This is very, very useful for reading as well as spelling. So have fun and improve your reading fluency. Hope this video helped you. Thank you.